Cough, something we see a lot of these days, especially in the winter or in allergy season, is a reflex attempt on the part of the body to clear an irritant from the mucous membrane of the throat or the lower respiratory apparatus, the bronchial tubes or the lungs themselves. A cough can be dry, that is non-productive of any mucus coming up, or it can be moist, creating noises like rales or bubbling, which come up with the cough or precede the cough. Mucus can be of various tastes, colors, consistencies, all of which can be important for the homeopathic prescription. A cough can be preceded by various sensations: tickling in the throat, tickling in the nose, itching or burning, a sensation of a lump, or a sensation of mucus higher up that seems to create a need to cough. All these factors that aggravate, or factors which seem to make it better, lying down, standing up, drinking, eating, not drinking, eating, heat or cold, are important in the assessment of the needed homeopathic remedy.